Good morning, mighty Bulldogs. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this fantastic Friday. Today is August the 20th, 2021. Today is a B-Day. We made it, guys. Today's Friday. Please join me in the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. We have 3 birthdays to announce. Lucky you guys have birthdays on a Friday. Happy birthday to Eric Meraz Gerardo in 8th grade. Happy birthday to Jermaine Jaimez Nunez in 9th grade. And happy birthday to Jolyn Estrada, our senior. Hope you guys all have a phenomenal Friday and a fantastic birthday. You share your birthday with tons of people, but you also share your birthday with singer Demi Lovato. Fun times. Continue to wear masks. You guys are doing a great job with this. We have masks. Ask if you need one. Please ask your homeroom teacher to pause if you need more information on sports or when you can try out for sports. As a reminder, we're not sure on transportation, so start thinking about how you're going to get home from tryouts and practice. Additionally, you will need a physical. Technology. Hopefully you have your computer. Continue reaching out if you have not received it. Get that technology form in. As a reminder, the expectation is you have your computer with you daily. Uniform. Today's Friday. As a reminder, Friday uniform. Students can wear jeans, no holes or rips. Students can wear an Idea Spirit shirt or a college shirt. College outerwear, jackets, and sweaters are allowed as long as they are college related. You still need a belt and you still need black shoes. You can also just wear your regular uniform if you'd like. Please do a homeroom. Please pause and check uniforms at this time. Cell phone and headphone policy. You guys are doing better with this. Make sure you're not using cell phones or AirPods when you are not supposed to be. The only time cell phones and AirPods should be out are during lunch, high school lunch with our 11th and 12th graders. Remember, 9th and 10th graders, you can earn this privilege. You earn this by doing the right thing in the hallways and in classes and meeting expectations for our technology policy without having to be reminded. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. We made it, y'all. It's Friday. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Proud of you. Love you guys. It's going to be a good day.